I'm going to try this one-handed, but this ramp isn't very wide. I think I need to widen it. Yeah. I don't want to smack it into the curb. This thing just lands so nice. Well, that's how that session ended. Broken rear hub. I got the parts here. I got the dog bone. One thing I noticed, it's hard to see. There we go. The output cup there, that is a weak point in these cars. This is my second set. I do have some in order too. But yeah, but otherwise this car is pretty strong. There's my full-size servo. So full-size servo, receiver box relocation. I have the Traxxas wheelie bar wheels on here, and then also my skids, rear skid and side skids. So keeps my chassis nice. I do have the files for these uploaded on Colts if you guys are interested. I sell a full thing that comes with the ESC mount. This thing is very, very strong. It's not going anywhere. Receiver box mount. What it does is it clamps right in between here. So there's a little block that I made that goes under there, and then there's two screws down inside, and it retains the stock lid. That way you can use a bigger servo, also a bigger motor. But yeah, it's a full kit that comes with everything. It's like $4 on Colts. So yeah, but This thing's pretty damn strong, and sorry for the mess here on my little workbench. But yeah, I'll get it fixed and put some more videos out.